Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your Google Drive link public. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Here you can see I have opened up my Google Drive. Now all I have to do is you can see one of my folder here, tap right here on the three dots, and here you can see share option. Here you can see the lock option, tap on not shared, and you can see this file is restricted. Just tap right here on the restriction. Now tap on that icon, and here you can see anyone with the link. Tap right here, and here you can see the viewer options. Here you can see the copy link options, and now whoever access to your drive by these links, that person will be able to open up your folder. This is how you can easily make your link public. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.